Welcome to Pacta COBOL Lab. Here, we explore a different approach to programming based on COBOL, a language known for its reliability, readability, and robustness. This project is built around two main pillars. The first pillar is training. Pacta COBOL Lab offers a progressive and accessible learning path designed especially for beginners using a structured method inspired by neuroscience. The goal is simple: truly understand programming, practice effectively, and build strong foundations. This training goes beyond traditional environments and also explores COBOL usage outside of mainframe systems. The second pillar focuses on developing solutions for businesses. Pacta COBOL Lab explores the creation of reliable and durable applications tailored to real-world needs such as data processing, management tools, and business applications. The objective is to help companies gain autonomy, reduce their dependence on complex technologies, and rely on stable systems over time. Behind this project is a clear vision. Performance is not only about innovation, but about building simple, understandable, and reliable solutions. Pacta COBOL Lab means learning, building, and securing your digital tools for the long